Hey, this is your boy Bob TV. Look, I'm back again. I'm going to talk about the so-called protest vote. This week, President Obama went on Steve Harvey's show to talk about the protest vote. Mrs. Obama went on the campaign trail for Hillary to talk about the protest vote. What's the sign of somebody losing miserably? They got to get everybody to fight their battles for. She got Elizabeth Warren. She got Bernie Sanders. She got President Obama. She got Mrs. Obama. She got Joe Biden. And she's still barely beating the worst candidate in history, Donald Trump. So if you're getting beat by the worst candidate in history, what do that make you? Even more of a worse candidate in history to run for the office of president. But I want to talk about protests. Protest vote. Let's look at the definition of protest vote. A protest vote is a vote cast in an election to demonstrate the voter's dissatisfaction with the choice of candidates or refusal of the current political system. That's what Wikipedia called protest vote. Now let's go to the word protest. Protest means basically the same thing. The word protest means a statement or action expressing disapproval or objection to something. That's the definition of a protest vote. Now, you're rejecting, you're making a statement and you taking an action against something or someone. That's a protest. Now, a protest vote is the same thing. You're making a stance against and you're taking action against. Mr. Obama, Mrs. Obama, and any other politician that quote this out of their mouth, you are the ones doing a protest vote. A person like me who decides that I don't like neither one of the candidates, I like Jill Stein because of this, that's not a protest vote. That's a person who put in his vote where he feel is best accomplished because of this. I look over here and I see this and say, nah, I don't want that. I look over there and I see, I look over here, oh yeah, I like that. She gets my vote. That is not a protest vote. That's a vote on purpose for what I feel is the best one. You want America to protest Trump. So you're going to try to guilt America, guilt them by saying that if you vote for Trump, you're doing a protest vote. Any vote for a third party, and then you got the nerve to talk about a third party. You talking about tyranny, control opposition, trying to manipulate the voters. You're basically trying to guilt the voters and saying, if you're voting for Jill Stein or Gary Johnson, you're just going to usher in a Trump. Hey, maybe those people want Trump over Hillary Clinton. What you got to say about that? Maybe they want one. Maybe they believe Trump would do more of a change to the system than Hillary Clinton because she is the same old. She's not going to do something. She's boring. She's not as bright as people think she is. She has no energy, no fire. She cannot fire up a base, and she can't lead a movement. And you guys are so fearful of your legacy that you're throwing everything you got, including your foot, your shoe, your socks, and your grandma hat in this thing for her, knowing that she ain't all that you think she is. But you screwed Sanders, and you took out the only person who could have won this thing, but now he's a sheepdog, he's a lapdog, he's a puppy for Clinton. Why? I don't know. But he single-handedly, with his endorsement, tried to kill the revolution. Thank God for Jill Stein that she's taking up the mantle of the revolution and she's going to build it. And it takes this election to build it. Oh, but if she's taking a vote away for Trump, nobody's taking vote. You better watch my vote on my video on Respect My Vote. Ain't nobody taking nobody votes. These people are happily on fire, gladly to vote for Jill Stein, vote for Gary Johnson, and some gladly vote for Donald Trump. They don't want you, don't like you, and what make you think you're entitled to their vote? You're taking away votes. You can't take away my vote, and if I don't want you to have it, the only way you can take my vote is when I go in that polling station and I click the lever for Jill Stein and they keep going to Clinton. That's taking a vote, stealing a vote, which happened in the primaries with Bernie. And experts says that Bernie won this thing by 15%, but because of widespread election fraud endorsed by the DNC and the people who run the DNC, the Clintons, Bernie lost. And for Bernie not to protest this thing shows me how weak he was. Now, I don't know the motive, but whatever motive it was, it weakened his ability to stand up against fraud, to stand up against corruption, to stand up against collusion. Not standing up. And we're standing up by saying, hey, we're going to go to the closest thing to Bernie Sanders, and she ain't it. Hillary Clinton's not it. Jill Stein is it. So no, Mr. Obama, every vote is a protest vote, baby. You're protesting against the current system and the direction it's going. The Republicans are protesting with a vote against the Democratic leadership, and the Democrats are protesting by voting against Trump. The Greens are protesting by saying, both of you are disasters, both of you suck, and we ain't gonna have nothing to do with it. And even though you may win and we may lose and may be a so-called wasted vote, we're gearing up to build this movement, and we ain't going nowhere. And it's gonna start with our votes protesting, saying, not really protesting. It's a protest. Every vote is a protest, but we have solid reasons why we're voting for Jill Stein. The only reasons you got for voting for Trump is Hillary Clinton, Republicans. The only reasons you're voting for Hillary Clinton is but Trump. You have no solid plan. No solid, that book didn't even make it. The plan of Hillary Clinton, that book sucks so bad that, tell you, I kind of feel sorry for those who vote for Democratic or vote for Republicans. Neither one of them has an agenda to help your community. And here it is. The people who I'm voting for have an agenda for Black Lives Matter, for the black community, reparations for the black community, and a Native American community, and a whole host of other things. And I invite you to take a look at the platform. I don't tell you how to vote, but I'm telling you now, every vote is a protest vote, Mr. President. Everyone. You go vote because you are against the current direction of the United States. So if anybody promoting protest vote, you are trying to protest Donald Trump. But Trump is the greatest protest song in American history lately.